Hi everyone, I'm Arta.
Hi, I'm Fiona. We've just received the final sample from the factory and I can say for the both of us that we're super excited about this. Reactor Rescue brings over a decade of our experience in education, in gamification, and most importantly in understanding how kids actually learn best.
What makes Reactor Rescue incredibly unique is that it's the first strategy board game where circuit building is not a side activity, it's the core game mechanic. In this game, players step into the role of engineers who are on a rescue mission. Their spacecrafts are broken and Electra's reactor is failing. The only way to stop the crisis is if you fix your spacecraft by building real circuits. As you complete circuit challenges, you earn repair tokens and bring your spacecraft back to life. The first player to fix their spacecraft is the one to save the day. This game combines strategic decision-making and hands-on problem-solving.
We have intentionally made a game that sparks curiosity, builds confidence, and inspires kids to think like engineers and be engineers, all through play. We truly believe in game-based learning, and Reactor Rescue is a reflection of that belief.
This is the Reactor Rescue unboxing. Alright, let's take a look at the box first. Reactor Rescue is designed for ages 10 and up. It can be played by up to 4 players. We do have a solo mode for practicing circuits. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to play. The circuit board, the spacecraft control panels with tokens, Labbox electronic blocks, wires, cards, and the battery bank. Let's open it up. This is always our favorite moment. Here is the rulebook. The rulebook walks you through everything you need to know about the game, how to set it up, how to play, and very important, a clear test routine so you always know how to verify your circuits. The design of Labbox electronics is extremely helpful here, but we'll come back to that in a moment. And this is the main game board. You'll notice it has precisely cut holes to place the electronic blocks. These are intentionally designed to keep the blocks firmly in place while you play, so nothing moves around while you are building circuits. This side of the board is where the circuit cards go. You'll notice 3 levels, which are matching to the circuit cards' difficulty levels. We'll come back to the circuit cards in a moment. These are the Spacecraft Control panels. You get 4 because the game supports up to 4 players. Each spacecraft starts completely empty. All of these tokens are removable and every single one must be earned during gameplay. And here's where things get really exciting, the Labbox electronics. Here we have the Labbox electronic blocks we will be using to build circuits. An important note about Labbox. Labbox is built for discovery. It's an electronic system that helps kids understand the science by actually doing it. The blocks need to be connected in series or parallel circuits and have built-in indicators that make common errors visible. This feature is very helpful during gameplay in deciding whether your circuit is correct or not. You'll also notice the blocks are color-coded. The red blocks are output blocks. We have a bulb, an RGB light, and a motor controller. The motor controller connects with the yellow motor. The yellow motor connects to the green motor holder and the yellow wheel. The blue blocks are input blocks, a slide switch, a distance sensor, and a dimmer. These are wire extensions. Think of them like extension cords for your circuits. We also have 10 magnetic wires, 4 blue, 3 red, and 3 yellow. Quick but important note about the power. The battery bank requires AAA batteries, which are not included in the box. You can also power the game using laptop or phone charger via USB. To make things easier, we've built in a battery indicator. When the batteries are fresh, the light is green. As soon as the available output drops below the minimum needed by Labbox electronics, the light turns red. So you always know when it's time to change them. The game includes 4 types of cards. Let's start with the resource cards. These cards represent the electronic blocks you're allowed to use when building circuits. There's also the Cosmic Override card. It works like a joker and can represent any of the electronic blocks. You'll notice one important thing. The power block is not included as a resource card. That's intentional. Every circuit needs power, so you can always assume the power block is available to you and you don't need to earn it. Now we have the circuit cards. The game has 2 modes, the learning mode and the challenge mode. If you're playing for the first time, we strongly recommend starting with learning mode, so you'll put the challenge cards back into the tray for now. In learning mode, each card shows you exactly how to build the circuit. To acquire a circuit, you must discard the required resource cards into the discard pile. Once you've acquired the circuit, you can start building and testing it. If you build the circuit correctly, you earn the tokens shown on the card. You then take those tokens and place them onto your spacecraft mission control panel. This is how you progress towards winning the game. If the circuit doesn't work correctly, you draw a malfunction card, which introduces penalties or restrictions. Some circuit cards also trigger events. Events are generally rewarding and give you special effects or advantages. Now that you've seen the components inside the box, it's time to see them in action. In the coming days, we will share a how-to-play video showing exactly how these circuit challenges come together so you can fix your spacecraft and save the city of Electra. And that's Reactor Rescue. This isn't just a board game, it's a full experience where strategy, teamwork, and real engineering come together at the table. We created this game with our amazing partner Hape, whose motto is Love, Play, Learn. Combining that with Labbox's mission to inspire children for engineering, you get Reactor Rescue.
We've built this game for families who want more than just rolling a dice. It's about building, thinking, and experimenting, and sometimes failing and figuring things out together. And that's it. Thank you for unboxing Reactor Rescue with us. We can't wait for you to have it in your hands and love it as much as we do.